Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ngayon ng opinion, reaction itong post ni Rob Rances 13 minutes ago. Diniscuss niya dito ang Senate Bill 2512. Title niya, Sword of Justice or Shield from Accountability. Okay, dito pag-alaman natin na si Senator Risa Hontiveros, siya pala ang author ng Senate Bill 2512 na gusto niyang parusahan ang mga public officials na minamanipulate ang mga testigo. Yung bang nag-coerce ka o nag-produce ka ng mga fake witnesses or fake affidavits, yung nagbabayad, ganon. Siyang author. So, ni-research ko dito sa ng Senate. Senate Bill number 2512 introduced by Senator Risa Hontiveros. Ito yung title. An act defining the crime of subornation of perjury and amending for the purpose Act number 3815 as amended, otherwise known as the Revised Penal Code. Explanatory note. The Revised Penal Code punishes false testimony in criminal proceedings, in civil cases, in solemn affirmation, as well as knowingly offering false testimony in evidence. However, it does not punish subornation of perjury, which is the crime of procuring, yung nagbayad ka ng witness, procuring yun. Procuring, persuading, or coercing another person to commit perjury. Perjury, yung magsabi ka ng kasinungalingan. Subornation of perjury, particularly when committed by public officers and those in power, strikes at the core of justice by undermining the truth-seeking function of the legal system. The bill seeks to preserve the integrity of court proceedings and maintain public confidence in the fairness and impartiality of the legal process by sending a strong message that dishonesty and corruption within the legal system will not be tolerated. Given the potential for greater harm, the proposed bill provides for increased penalties when public officers are involved in the coercion and manipulation of witnesses. This reflects a commitment to maintaining the highest standard of honesty and accountability in the public service. In view of the foregoing, the passage of this bill is earnestly sought. Risa Hontiveros, Senator. Okay. So, 23 December, 2023. So, ang galing. Authors yan ito eh. Ngayon, ang parusa, sabi ni, basahin ko muna itong article ni Rob Rances. Sabi niya, but now, the bill she authored reads like a checklist of the allegations thrown at her by alias Rene. Allegation pa naman lang ito Ano sinasabi ni alias Rene? Scripted testimony, fabricated affidavits, 500,000 payouts, political targets, a condo, and legal handlers. Okay. So, ito yung records show that Senate Bill 2512 has been pending with the committee since December 13, 2023. The proposed measures outlines. Okay, ito yung mga parusa. A fine of 1 million pesos, perpetual disqualification from holding any public office. Yung mapatunayan nagkasala na public official, hindi na siya makakatakbo kailanman sa public office. And then maximum criminal penalties for public officials who suborn perjury. So, sabi ni Rob Rances, so if proven guilty, will Risa Hontiveros, the bill's own author and of course champion of its cause, be the first to uphold its spirit or the first to escape it? Anyway, bill pa naman lang ito. Okay, the real test. Ito, binabasa ko lang ang opinion ni Rob, the real test. Will she apply her own bill's standards or just wield them selectively? Question mark. If this exact case happened to a Duterte senator, would Risa and her camp be disquiet? Would they hesitate to demand resignation, ethics proofs, public outrage? Kasi tahimik ang mga maingay dati. Ang nagsasalita lang, statement lang ni Senator Risa. Yun lang. All others, yung mga crusaders ng truth, justice, deafening ang silence nila. Ano pa? Power pants, sabi. Pakapalan ng muka. Grabe itong si Rob Rances. We were told Senate Bill 2512 was about defending truth. Now, we're watching whether it will, even in principle, uphold justice or simply protect its author. So tell us, Senator Risa, what will it be? Will Senate Bill 2512 be the sword of justice even if it cuts you? Or will it become your shield against the very truth you once vowed to defend? And then move on as if nothing happened, as if pakapalan ng mukha is a long game strategy. So, opinion lang ito ni Rob Rances. Binasa. So, at least, ako, alam ko na, i-share ko sa inyo na may magandang bill authored by Senator Risa. Paparusahan ang mga mag-manufacture ng fake witnesses, procuring or manufacturing o false testimonies. So, ang tanong, sa 28th Congress, iimbestigahan kaya ito ng different committees? I don't know what committee. So, yan. Magkakaalaman na kung meron bang mag-file ng complaint sa Ethics Committee ng Senado. Ayan na. So, magiging madugong usapan pa ito. Hindi pa ito tapos. Okay, salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is pantulong natin sa tribo. So ngayon is namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo ng maayos na tahanan ang tribong talandig. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Karon mo na siya yero ipangatag sa mga tao.
Opat ito ito. Oh, dawan ito.
Ay, mga kuwan sino kayo? Eh, nga ka palista eh. Pwede taglis pa. Ara. Bita na si
Ilan sa kanya sa atok mo?
Salamat sa Sen. Salamat sa naghatag. Salamat sa Sen. Oh, baru tu. Ini, pagtindog daw. Karon niya ako nagpuyo sa palagsa akong mama. Siya ang natagan ng sin.
Ang imong mama ang nauna natagaan og sin. So diri lang kasi nakigpuyo. So karon nagpatindog na kag bagong balay so natagaan na ka karon og yero. Oo, so atong tan-awon ang imong bagong balay. So, muna ni ang iyang gipatindog nga bagong balay. Kay nakigpuyo lang ni siya si ang mama.
Salamat sa Ginoo. Salamat sa nagatan ng nagit ko.
Oo. So na kay bagong balay. Sige, salamat.